Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level vocabulary lesson. We're continuing our unit on animals, and today we're going to be learning the vocabulary words that will let you talk about farm animals. So do you know the names of any of these animals? So we have a horse, we have sheep and lambs, we have a pig, looks like a cow, a chicken and chicks, looks like some goats, and a donkey. So these are sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. And did you know that sheep is an irregular noun? We say one sheep and two sheep, not two sheeps. Sheep produce wool, and many clothes are made from wool. People often wear woolen clothes in warm weather. In cold weather. So cows, calves, and cattle. So picture A is a cow, and a baby cow is called a calf. Cows produce milk. Calf is also a regular noun. We say one calf, but two calves, not calves. A male is called a bull, and people also call these animals cattle. So cattle are raised for meat. The meat from cows is called beef, and the meat from calves is called veal. Milk is used to make dairy products like cheese, cream, and yogurt. In some countries, cattle pull carts and plows, and in India, the cow is a sacred animal, so most people do not eat them. So what can you remember? We have a cow and a calf, meat or beef, wool, sheep with lambs, milk, and cattle. Birds that we keep for meat and eggs are called poultry. And what can you see in each picture? So here it looks like we have a chicken with some chicks, a rooster, a goose, a duck, a turkey, and eggs. There's a hen with her chicks. A hen lays eggs. This is a rooster. There is a goose. Goose is an irregular noun. We say one goose, but two geese, not two gooses. There is a duck, and there's a turkey, and there's a picture of poultry meat. All right, so pause the video, fill in the sentences below, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The meat from cows is called beef. A baby cow is called a calf. Milk from cows is used to make dairy products like cheese and yogurt. And a lamb is a baby sheep. The goat is also raised for milk and for meat. Goat meat is very popular in many countries, and a baby goat is called a kid. And these are pigs. Baby pigs are called piglets. The meat from pigs is called pork, and we get bacon and ham from pigs. Now, some animals do work on the farm. For example, cattle can pull a plow. Donkeys are used to carry things. People can ride on horses. And many years ago, horses were very important on farms. They pulled plows and transported goods. On some farms, dogs work. The Australian cattle dog controls cattle, and sheepdogs guard sheep all over the world. All right, now pause the video and fill in the sentences below and restart when you're ready to check your answers. So the donkey is carrying big pots of milk. The horses are pulling a plow in the second picture here. The cattle dogs are controlling the cattle. And the sheepdog is guarding the sheep. So which animals produce each product? Well, bacon comes from pigs. Yogurt comes from the milk of cows. Beef also comes from cows. Milk comes from cows or goats. Wool comes from sheep. And cheese can come from the milk which comes from cows or goats. So many farm animals, like sheep and cows, graze on in a field or a meadow. And in winter, some animals, like horses, eat hay, and chickens like to eat seed, and pigs can eat fruit and vegetables. So what can you see in each picture? We have a sheep with some lambs, we have milk and yogurt, some horses grazing in a field. We have a cattle dog controlling the cattle, some piglets, and a goat with a kid. And can you remember these animals? So what are they called? Which ones produce eggs for us to eat? And which ones produce meat? So we have a chicken or a hen with some chicks. They produce eggs, and we can also eat chicken for meat. This is a rooster. It's a male chicken. He doesn't produce eggs, but he can be eaten for meat. This is a duck. I'm not sure if people eat duck eggs or not. I suppose you could. Sorry, this is a goose. Sorry. And geese are used for meat. Ducks, again, I'm not sure if we eat duck eggs or not, but ducks can be used for meat. Turkeys are used for meat. And this is a calf, which is used to produce veal. All right, again, fill in the sentences below and restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. So the cows are grazing on grass in the field. The donkey is carrying hay. Meat that comes from pigs is called pork. And birds that humans keep for meat and eggs are called poultry. So which words about farm animals in these foods can you remember? So we have a lamb, beef, cheese, sheep, the sheepdog, turkey, rooster, pigs, yogurt, and eggs. And these are some questions you can answer. You can either answer aloud or write down your answers, or both, just for practice. So which kinds of meat come from animals? Which animals produce milk? Which names of baby animals can you remember? And which animals can work on a farm? And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.